Hello guys, welcome back to the Private Hacker Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to get the unlimited email addresses, thousands of email addresses, real ones, just using your one active email address. So you need to have a valid email account, a valid email address. So the way we are going to do it is cheap, it's free and easy. So only you need to do just follow my steps and like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube videos. So I'm just going to open up this thing. I had saved it but I'm just going to, I'm going to leave the link in the description, or if I don't, you copy it from the video. So you open it. It's not an app, so it's called the bot.net. So this is how it looks when you open it. So as I told you, need to have a valid email address. So here the username, you have to put that username, those characters first before the @gmail.com. So let me choose here, let me put this. So after that, they have generated 1024 email addresses. So they can sometimes generate 8,000 something. So all you need to do is to download it. So you save. So for me, I had already downloaded it. So let me just open it. To open, as you see, the habibbanks.com. This is the first one is the real one. Yeah. So now here they come. ha.b.ii.what. So these are all fake ones. Yeah, these are all fake ones. But when someone's try to send an email through this fake one, it will be sent to the real email address. So let's take a try. Let's give it a try. Let me choose this. Let me choose this. Let me email it. Let me use this email, Gmail. So when I see, you're going to see, I'm going to write an email. I'm going to compose, but it's going to be redirected to the other original account. So as you see, this is a fake one. So subject, let me put in. So I'm done with composing this useless email. So let me just send within a tick and tack. So I have sent it already. So I try to send, I also send another. So let me also pick randomly. Let me try to send to this also. Yeah, to prove what I'm saying. So yeah, here I'm just going to write nonsense. So that is what. Now let me compose. I'm done. I have also sent. So I've picked randomly 2 different emails from here, but I'm going to receive the emails from the original one. So let me check out in my Gmail. So my Gmail app is here. So as you see, I'm logged in as habibbanks@gmail.com. That was the real Gmail account. So the other Gmail accounts of Habib.what they were fake, but when someone tries to send an email, I receive on the real one. So this is the not useless you may have seen. I've composed and sent. It's here, and this is the first one. It's here. You see, the sender is the private hacker to Habib Banks. What you see? Still, the fake email is here. It's showing the fake Gmail address, but I received on the real one. And this is my other. This is my email I've used. So I think that's all. Like, subscribe, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, these Gmails you can use it even for the Droid making Droid accounts, registering accounts for what? Because still they have the same passwords as the original one. So I think you have a good day. Yeah, that's all. Goodbye. Anyway, I'm having a good YouTube strike, but just pray that this video is not removed. And bye.